Welcome to the homework page of the website. So first things first, on this page we have an overview of the weekly homework, which is similar to what I'm doing right now, but this has no picture, it's just a voice. And then right underneath that we have the weekly homework. So we have Monday's homework, 15 minutes of independent reading, filling out the reading log, and bringing your library books for Tuesday because we are going to the library to exchange books. For math, we have a math worksheet on greater than, less than, or equal to, no science homework, and the social studies is to complete a page or two in the community workbook that your child will be getting on Monday, and it is due on Friday. For Tuesday, same homework, 15 minutes of independent reading, a math worksheet, and the community workbook. For Wednesday, same homework, 15 minutes of reading, math worksheet, community workbook. And then Thursday, same thing, 15 minutes of independent reading, filling out the log, a math worksheet, and the community workbook is to be completed for Friday, which we will be going over in class on Friday. And then for Friday's homework, it is just 15 minutes of independent reading for the each day over the weekend. And just to practice your math facts, there's no science or social studies homework because I think your kids should have the weekends to themselves, so I don't want to overload them on homework. Underneath the schedule are two printables. So you have the reading log on the left here, which you can download and print at any time that you need it in case you run out of room and you need a new one and you don't want to wait until Monday to get a new one. That is here. And then you also have on the right of it the community workbook. You can download this file so that you can use this at home, and I'm going to pull that up for you just so you can see what it looks like. So this is the community workbook. You have your front page, and then on the second page, we're going to be going over this in class, so your student's going to know what to do when it comes to the workbook. But you're going to do the first page, which are the three types of communities, which is suburban, urban, and rural. And you're going to fill this out one day, fill in the blanks here, and then the next website, it places in our community. So you're just going to write the letter of the place in the community described by each sentence. So for example, we go to this place when we were sick. You would go to the hospital. You would write that letter down. Then the next one is my community. So this is where your child is going to be filling out these blanks. So my address is, they write their address. I live in the city and town of blank. Then this city or town is in the county of, and it just keeps going down until we get to the continent. And then the last page is just for your child to draw a picture of what their house looks like. So we have their address on the first page. You can write that on here if you'd like. But you are to have your student draw a picture of their house. And we'll put that here and it'll be in the workbook. And that is the entire website page of the homework. If there's any questions, you can put it in the forum at the end of this website, or you can email me, text me, call me, whatever works best for you. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can.